Okay, I'm back at it again. Hey, hello YouTube, how y'all doing? Yeah, I'm gonna work on zeroing my PDW tonight and trying to figure out my hole on this lever action Savage that I have. I used it in the competition this weekend, but I just gotta figure out the hole. So that's what I'm working on tonight. I'll get with y'all in a minute. Heading home, coming back from the ranges on a late night shoot. Zeroing my IR laser and yeah, working on some night shots. The fire. Mm-hmm. Of this freaking magnifier. I'm on the target. How much does that? Yeah, that was 5. Go another 5. Turn off the laser. Oh, okay, we're still recording. I'm gonna turn back on the lights. I'm gonna go to see how exactly it did. Mm. Okay. Should I try to zero it a little? Or take 5 shots on the bottom target? I'm gonna take 5 shots on that bottom center target. I'm using the red dot. Hope it don't wash out. Motherfucker. Hell if I know where they went. I hope I didn't take it off of zero. I don't want to walk back out there. I'm taking another 5 shots in the center and see. Center, center, big bullseye. Okay. I'll get back to zero on that IR laser, but I wanted to make sure she's running some of these critical defense. So I'm gonna run some of those. I'm gonna just detach the sling. I'm not running the sling again. It's cycling nice. Shoot this one last round and fiddle it in a little bit. Alright, go over the lights off again, see what if it make a difference. It's good, baby. Try my.
I don't know if these thin fitting. You want these?
Sure. What size are they?
Extra large?
Probably.
I don't know if they work today.
The laser's pushing them all on that one side. I want to go on the other side. Anywho, I'm gonna turn off the laser. PDW tonight. I was making sure my PDW works. Let me see if she's zeroed. I'm gonna go for that middle target. The 6 in the bottom, the one in the middle top. That's washing out. Great. I'm going for top or bottom. I'm aiming at the bottom. I don't know. Was that 5? Yeah.
Who's here tonight?
Hmm?
Gary?
Me. I'm gonna still do my 5 shots. I won't walk out there and see where their shots went. We can walk out there real quick. You coming out?
Yeah.
I found my hole on that rifle.
What's that, the Savage?
Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't getting no missed call from you.
Well, I can't see. I'm hitting it.
Oh, the bottom one.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're all in there. I can't see that from up there. That's why I'm thinking I'm not hitting. So that's all 10 in there. I finally found my hole on the rifle. Yeah, no, yeah. This is shooting with the laser. It's shooting off that way, and because it's off to the side, up
Oh, the bottom laser?
my laser's on the side.
Oh yeah, for that.
Yeah. All right. Well, this one got one shot.
But you got to recalibrate it, or that's where it's gonna be.
I gotta fiddle with it, but yeah, because it's on the side, it's turned the wrong way. So up is either left.
Opposites.
Yeah, up is either left or right. I don't know which way is up or down, and left and right is either up or down. So I'm about to load some mags, but here you go.
Oh shit.
PDW.
I gotta put some of them hollows in mine too. Shoot a couple off.
That's why I brought this out to throw some hollows through it to make sure it's cycling, because I can't have a PDW that don't cycle.
Just for this?
Yeah. See, that's the thing. Every gun, every Glock I have, the mag's gonna work in this gun, because it's my PDW with a Glock receiver. So any Glock
This
mag.
a Palmetto State Armory too?
Yes, sir. Everything on here, Palmetto State, the upper and the lower.
I seen an attachment online too where
I got this from the gun show, but I might end up changing this. It's kind of harsh, but it's good if you just push it out. Oh, and one thing to keep note: don't put more than one finger past this thing. I've shot my finger already before. Yeah, because I went out too far out. So that's my reference. Only one finger beyond there. Go ahead. Let me turn off the light. Go for the top left, or well, the top right one. The one on the right, the top one out of the 6.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you got your shits. How is it working? It's working out?
I still hear the shots though on these.
Okay.
It's still. I don't know if I'm gonna always hear that with this shit loud.
That baby barks.
So I'm holding the same way I hold the Savage. And do I gotta cock this one?
Yes. Charge it. Charge your handle right here. Okay. You might go up a little higher, so you looking through this one. Take your finger off the trigger till you acquire your target. That one got a sensitive trigger too. That got Geisley advanced combat trigger. So yeah.
Too shaky right now.
That was 5.
Yeah, I can't forget.
Try another 5. Same target.
The top right?
Mm-hmm.
I like this shit. You got all the fucking gadgets.
And if you were to C cup her, but just put one finger up front. Yeah, yes, there you go. You'll get a better grip.
All right, yeah, that's better. It feel better.
Yes, you get way more control that way. That one went to same hole as the previous one. Uh-huh.
That's all.
That was 5.
You don't get the count when you're shooting her. Going to go see?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it felt better the second go around. You told me to hold the other way?
Yeah.
You got hollows to put in it?
What?
You got
I already ran 5 hollows through it already.
I brought mine too. I got some more targets too.
I know.
They come in tomorrow.
But I like working on these 3-inch targets. If I gotta practice at a 12-inch target, I want to work 4 sizes smaller. Look all your shots in that target. Your first 5 didn't hit.
I was shaky as hell.
Your second 5, yeah.
Oh shit.
Uh-huh.
So one went through the hole twice, right?
So I don't know about that, but I saw when you hit these 2. One went right behind the other one. You got one down here. You got one here.
Did you have anything in here already or no?
Just these 22 shots.
Okay. Yeah, those are better for the what we shooting.
Mm-hmm.
This would have been too easy.
It's not too easy. Cause I'm put that on there. Boom. Put your hand behind there for me just to stop it from shaking. Thanks. One more. I gotta re-up on my stickers.
I didn't even know they had those.
I had 300.
I got some more bigger ones like this for us.
Okay.
So when I come, I'll bring them. They should be coming tomorrow.
Just for shits and giggles. Stabilize. Right there. Okie dokie.
Is this usually how it is? Just you?
Yeah, that's how it is at nights.
Oh shit! So you got the whole range? It's your money.
Well, the cops, they were shooting earlier, but they were on the next range over there.
Yeah, I see them doing something over there.
Yeah. We might have to load up some mags. I'm gonna shoot that a couple more times.
I'll load them for you. All of this?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's why I bought gloves too, because when I went home, my fingers were shiny as hell. And when I was looking at gun shit yesterday, they told me I should wear gloves.
Yeah.
That's why I see you wearing gloves.
And I got
Oh yeah.
get the lead off you, because soap and water don't really get it all off.
Yeah, because when I go home, I try to scrape that shit off.
Oh, the loader in here. Damn, we out of ammo. I'm gonna go for the upper one. Oh, you got 5? Thank you. I don't even really bring this gun out.
You touch them up every now and then, though, right?
Mm-hmm. I can't see the upper target. The black thing. Alright, I see some naked spot. I'm gonna shoot at the naked spot.
I can't see either the middle. I forgot to cut these shits up.
It's not empty no more. I'm going right back for the upper target. I wish it was like a distinct headshot. I hate this gun. I'm gonna get a better brace. It's hurting my collarbone. I don't hate this gun. I love this gun. This is the first thing I built. Very first thing I built. Alright, I'm going for the bottom one. Alright, I'm going for the far left one, bottom. me use the cheat code. Ah, just as I get a rhythm. You can shoot that a couple more times. I'm done with that. My collarbone is paying the price.
The speed loader, I'm quick at doing this by hand.
Okay.
So the speed loader, if I gotta fill the whole clip, I know that'll be easier. You know, the further it get down, the harder it gets.
I'll save you some shots.
All right, man. I was filling them up for you. How many of these you want me to fill up?
Whatever you got, whatever's out there, and then I got to save some of my. Oh, I ain't saving nothing. It looked like I gotta buy ammo again.
I'll toss you a dub.
It's alright, bro.
I ain't like that though, bro.
No, it's cool.
It's the top left, by the way.
Top left, okay. Let's see, you got your brace on. I can't tell what's going on in there. Just so you know, it's tracking you, so yeah.
I know I hit that.
Yeah, okay. No, I see two holes in it.
I'm going for left bottom now.
Left bottom, alright.
Yeah, this thing do hit the shoulder.
Yeah, that's why I'm gonna put something softer on there.
You got gaskets or something?
No, I'm gonna change the brace altogether. Impact.
Oh, no, I'm so shaky right now.
That one wasn't. That's a miss. I think that's impact. I think we got 4 in there. Last shot.
Let's take a look.
Now, before you go,
Yeah, red light.
1 second though.